First, create a new composition. Set the width to 2560 pixels and the height to 1440. Set the frame rate to 30 frames per second and the duration to 15 seconds. Then, click OK. Next, turn on Title Action Safe. Next, select the text tool and type Hello Friends. Next, align the text and place it in the center. Then trim each text layer at 1-second intervals. Similarly, add as many text layers as you need and trim each one to 1 second. Now, align all the text layers to the center. After adding all the text, select the pen tool and create a line shape. Next, set the line stroke width to 10 pixels. Then, rename the shape layer to Line. Move the line very close to the text. Next, go to the starting of the line shape layer and add keyframes for position and rotation.
Next, move the playhead to the 20th frame and add another keyframe. Then, move 10 frames forward. Add one more keyframe and change the shape's position. I'm doing this quickly for demonstration, so you can adjust the timing and position as needed. Now animate the shape layer with each text layer in your own way. I'm doing it quickly for demonstration. Next, duplicate the line layer and rename it Light Line. Next, go to the Effects panel and apply the CC Radial Fast Blur effect to the Light Line layer. Now, move the blue control point from the center to the left side. Set the blur amount to 95. Then, add the glow effect. Set the glow radius to 0 and set the glow intensity to 0.6. Next, duplicate the glow effect. Set the glow threshold to 87% and the glow intensity to 0.8. Next, duplicate the layer and move it to the bottom. Then open CC Radial Fast Blur and set the zoom option to brightest. Next, add the glow effect at the bottom of the Effect Controls panel and set radius to 100% and intensity to 0.2. Next, go to the Layer menu, create a new Null Object, and rename it Light Position. Next, select the Null Object and press the P key to reveal its position property. Then go to the Light Line layer and open the Center property under CC Radial Fast Blur. Hold the Alt key and click the stopwatch. Then link it to the Null Object's position. Similarly, link the center properties of both radial blur effects to the Null Object's position. Now, when you change the Null Object's position, the direction of the light will also change. Next, adjust the light direction to match each text layer. I'll fast forward this part. Don't worry, the project file will be available for free through the link in the description. You can also change the color from the stroke settings of the shape layer. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial and supporting me. I'll be back with even better tutorials and templates. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. You can download the project file for free using the link in the description.